Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a very interesting comparison, Ollama versus LM Studio. If you're someone who wants to run AI models locally on your computer, this video is just for you. So, let's start simple. Both Ollama and LM Studio let you run powerful AI models like Llama or Mistral directly on your own device. No internet required, more privacy, and full control. Sounds great, right? But they're built for slightly different types of users. First, let's talk about Ollama. Ollama is more focused on developers and advanced users. It runs mainly through the command line, and it's super lightweight. You can install models with a single command and start using them instantly. It also has API support, which means you can integrate it into apps, bots, or workflows. So if you're into coding, automation, or building AI tools, Ollama is incredibly powerful. But it's not very beginner-friendly. Now let's look at LM Studio. LM Studio is all about simplicity and user experience. It comes with a clean graphical interface. No coding required. You can browse, download, and run models with just a few clicks. It even has a built-in chat interface, so you can start talking to AI immediately. For beginners or content creators, LM Studio feels much easier and more comfortable to use. However, it's a bit heavier compared to Ollama, and not as flexible for developers. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner, or you just want a simple AI chat experience, go with LM Studio. But if you're a developer, or you want more control and integration, Ollama is the better choice. At the end of the day, both tools are amazing in their own way. It really depends on your needs and your experience level. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.